If you're wanting to start your home bakery, but you're not sure if you're ready or not, watch this video. For stress-free cake business tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. So you've been dreaming about starting your bakery, but you have no idea if you're actually ready or not. I'm gonna share 5 signs that will tell you you are ready. The first sign is that you're getting a consistent amount of people asking you to make a cake for them weekly and they're willing to pay you for it. The best sign is if your friends and family are referring you to their friends and family members. Now, it's really important to get honest feedback on the flavors and the pricing from your friends and family who you're giving these cakes to. Because when you do launch your business, you want everything to be as smooth and perfected as possible. The second sign is if you've done your homework. Now, what I mean by this is if you're trying to run a home-based bakery, you have to check all the laws, regulations, and rules when it comes to baking out of your home and selling from your home. Now, if your state or county is really strict and doesn't allow you to bake cakes and sell them from your home, then you can do research on a commercial kitchen or even finding a local cafe or coffee shop that can let you use their kitchen when they're not in use. The third sign is that you know what your specialty is. You have to figure out what sets you apart from all the other bakers. If you're starting out, choose 1 or 2 things and perfect that recipe. Number 4, you are tracking your time and money. Once you've figured out what your specialty item is, make sure that you know how much to charge for it. Now, this means tracking every little detail from the time it takes you to go to the grocery store, to the packaging, to delivering. You have to figure out a price that's actually going to make you a profit. Number 5 is probably the most important, but you have to know that you're not in it just for the money. You have to love serving others. You have to have great customer service and love people, because at the end of the day, that will help you stick with your business throughout all of the good and the bad days. All right, so those were 5 signs to tell that you're ready to start your cake business. I'd love to hear in the comments below which of these signs stood out the most to you. If you liked this video, make sure to click like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to grab all of my other free resources to start your cake business.